Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning for Life. So now we are going to continue with the part 1 video, that is your exercise 3.7 remaining 6 to 11 sums we are going to see. So come, let's get into the video. It is your sixth sum. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? So the traffic light is changing after 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. At 7 am, all the 3 traffic lights are changing together. So again when at 7 am, okay, again when the traffic light will change all the 3 together, they are asking. So come, let's get into the sum. In order to know that, you must find the LCM of the given 3 numbers. So LCM of 48, 72 and 108. 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6, balance 1 12, 6 2s are 12. 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2, 16, 8 2s are 16. 2 2s are 4, balance 1 14, 7 2s are 14. Now all will go in 3 table. 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Again 3 table. 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now 3 table. 4, 2, 1. 1. Now 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1. Again 2 table. 1, 1, 1. Now write LCM of 48, 72, 108 seconds equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Now multiply. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 9. 2 into 18. Balance 1. 1 into 9, 10. 108. So 108 into 4. 108 till here. So 108 into 4. 8 4s are 32. 1 4s are 4. So 432 seconds. Now like this you can't express 432 seconds. You have to express in minutes. Okay. So for you know that hour and minute, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore hour and wait, not hour. This is minute and second. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So how much minute is 432 seconds? So cross multiply. 432 into 1 equal to 60 into, let us consider this as x. So x equal to 432 divided by 60. Now divide it. 432 divided by 60. So consider only 43 and then 6. 6 sevens are 42, right? So 60 into 7 gives you 420. Okay. So now subtract it. 2, 3 minus 2, 1. So what means? It gives you 7 minutes and the remainder is your seconds. 7 minutes and 12 seconds. Did you understand? So here I am writing it as 7 minutes 12 seconds. So how, when this 7 minutes 12 seconds is occurring? After 7 am. So 7 am, 7 minutes 12 seconds it will occur. So how we will write? 7 am, 7 minutes 12 seconds. Morning, right? So it is am. So at this time all the 3 signals will change again simultaneously. Did you understand? Now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum. 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. So 3 tankers are containing this much amount of liters, 3 different amount of liters respectively. You have to find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. So maximum amount of diesel that the container can hold, that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. So exact number of times it has to measure. So also in the question it is given as maximum. So what you have to do? You have to find the HCF of three given numbers. So HCF is nothing but I am going to find the factors of 403. Factors of 434. Factors of, I am writing and keeping. Okay, 465 liters. Come, let's find for 403. So what will give you 403? 4 plus 3 is 7. So you find it and see 13 into 31. Okay, 1 3s are 3, 13 will come as such, 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. 3, 10, balance 1, 403. Okay, I just referred the book because I can't waste my time, that's why. 403. So 13 into 31 gives you 403. Next is 434. This will go in two table. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 17. 2 and 7. 2 and 7 in which table it will go? 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 table it will go, right? 3 7s are 21, 1 7s are 1. So 2 into 7 into 31. For 465, it will go in 5 table. 9 5s are 45, balance 1 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 1 3s are 3. So here 5 into 3 into 31. So in all the cases you have 31 as the highest common factor. So 31 liters. So 31 liters can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. Okay, that is the maximum capacity. 31 liters is the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. Okay, now we'll move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum, 8th sum. Okay, you have to find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. So all the 3 all together it should leave the remainder 5 they are saying. So in order they said least number. So it is LCM. It indicates LCM. So find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So all will go in 3 table, right? 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18. Then again 2, 1 2s are 2, 5, 3 2s are 6. 5 table 1, 1, 3. Then 3 table 1, 1 and 1. Okay. Now what is the LCM? LCM of 6, 15 and 18. What is the LCM? 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into 3, 90. So will 90 leave the remainder 5 in each case? We can't say, right? So what I am going to do is I am going to add 5. 90 plus 5 which is equal to 95. So this is exactly divisible by 6, 15 and 18. So if I am adding 5, it will leave the remainder 5, right? So I am adding 5. So 95 is the number that leaves the remainder 5 when divided by 6, 15 and 18. Did you understand? Now we move on to the next sum. So here is your next sum. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Okay, this sum is like similar model to the sums in the part 1. Okay, now you have to find the LCM of 3 given numbers. Find the LCM 18, 24 and 32, right? Okay, 2 table, 9 2s are 18, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, balance 1 12, 6 2s are 12. Again 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Oh, 16 will not go. So write 16 as such. Now 2 table, okay wait, 3 table, 1 3s are 3, 4, 16. Then 2 table, 1, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. Then again 2 table, 1, 1, 4 2s are 8. Again 2 table, 1, 1, 2. 2 table, 1, 1, 1. Now LCM is equal to 2 into, wait. LCM of 18, 24 and 32 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So this is the LCM. Find the multiple. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 4. 18 into 4. 8 was a 32. Balance 3. 1 4 are 4. 5 6 7. 72 into 4 again. 2 4s are 8. 4 7s are 28. 288. Now you have to find the smallest 4-digit number. What is the smallest 4-digit number, children? You know that biggest 3-digit number is 999, and then after that if you add 1, it is smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Okay, but we have to find this. 288 into a number will give me the smallest 4-digit number. Did you understand? So 288 into, find for 3, find 8 3s are 24, balance 2, 8 3s are 24, 26, balance 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 8, 864. It is only coming 3-digit number. So I am going for the next number. 288 into 4. 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, balance 3, 8 4s are 32, 35, balance 3, 2 4s are 8, 9 10 11, 1152. Now I am getting a 4-digit number. Let us, in order to check if it is least, you go, you know, the previous number is 864 and then the next number is 1152. Let us find for one more number, 5. 5 8s are 40, balance 4, 5 8s are 40, 44, balance 4, 2 5s are 10, 14. So this is your smallest 4-digit number. 288 into 4 gives me 1152. So 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Did you understand? Now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your next sum. So you are going to find LCM of the given numbers, and you are going to observe a common property in LCM. So what is a common property you are going to observe? Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? Is the LCM value the product of two numbers they are asking? So let us find. First one I am taking 9 and 4. For 9 and 4 I am going to find the LCM. It will go in 3 table. 3 3s are 9, again 4. Actually whenever you take LCM it has to be the least number. So you have to write first 2 only. So 9 let it be as such. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2, 9, 1. 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 1. So 3, 1, 1. So what is the LCM of 9 and 4? Equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 9 4s are 36. Okay. So did you see that 9 into 4 is 36? So the LCM is the product of two numbers. Okay. In your first sum. Let's check in your second sum. 12, 5. 2 table. 6 2s are 12, 5. 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 5. 3 table 1, 5. 5 table 1, 1. So now see LCM of 12 and 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now see 12 into 5, check in the sum also, 12 into 5 60. So LCM is the product of two numbers. Okay. Now let's go for the next sum. 6 and 5. 2, 3 2s are 6, 5, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So what is LCM? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. See here 6 5s are 30. LCM is the product of the two given numbers. Okay. Next one. 15, 4. 15, 3 table. No, before the 2 table. 15, 2 2s are 4, then again 2 table 15, 1, 15, sorry not 15, 3 table, 5 3s are 15, 1, 5, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 15 into 4 is also, you check it, it is 60. 5 is 20, balance to 60. Okay. So you check all 36, 60, 30, 60. Did you find any common multiple? Yes, it is a common multiple of 3 table. Multiple of 3. So that is the common property observed is it is a multiple of 3. And then is LCM the product of 2 number in each case? That answer is yes. Now we will move on to the next sum. So this is your last sum. Find the LCM of the following numbers, in which number is the factor of other. What do you observe in the result obtained? So a number is given, that is a factor of the other number they are saying. So if you solve, you will understand. So I am going to find the LCM of 5 and 20. 5, 1 paisa 5, 4 paisa 20. 2 table 1, 2 to the 4. Then again 1. So what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 2. So that is nothing but 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. So you can find that LCM is product of one of the number. Okay. So that next sum 6, 18. 2, 3 to the 6. 6 3 is 18, right? 3, 1 3 is 3, 2 3 is 6. 2, 1, 1. Next, LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. I found a mistake somewhere. Excuse me. You have to take the least common multiple. 6, 18. 2, 3 2 is 6, 9 2 is 18. 3, 1 3 is 3, 3 3 is 9. 3, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. That is nothing but 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. Excuse me. So you can find LCM is one of the given number. So 12 and 48. 2 table 6 to 12, 2 to 4, 4 to 8. Again 2 table 3 to 6, 1 to 2, 2 to 4. Now 3 table 1 3 3, 4 3 12. 2 table 1 2. 2 table 1 1. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 into 4. 2 was 8. 48. 48. So that is again one of the given number, one of the factor. 9, 45. So I am going with 3 table. 3 3 is 9. 1 3 is 3. Balance 1 15. 5 3 is 15. Again 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 5 3 is 15. Again 5 table. 1 5. So LCM is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. So that is equal to 9 5 45. That is also one of the given number. So the result obtained is the LCM you got is one of the given number. So with this I am completing the chapter playing with numbers. Your chapter number 3 playing with numbers is completed. In our upcoming videos, let us move on to the next chapter, that is geometry. So if you like my video, please watch, share, subscribe and then click the bell button without fail. And also I am also updating some other beauty related videos and some other related videos, not only educational videos I am posting. So do watch all my videos, subscribe my channel so that you get the message each time when I post the video. So thanks for watching friends. Thank you friends. Bye.